Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning about exploratory data analysis EDA. It is basically a method for data sets to understand relationships between the data sets and to basically understand the main characteristics of data. Exploratory data analysis, we will explore how to effectively visualize and understand the data from basic bar charts to sophisticated dimensionally reduction techniques. Let's see how to visualize relationships using bar graphs with overlays. Overlaying bar graphs, basically it's a method which use same charts provides as clear comparison between data groups or categories. This visualization allows you to quickly identify trends, patterns and potential disparity between different data sets. Moving forward, let's understand data dependency and what is contingency table. Contingency table is basically a table which is in a matrix form. Contingency table provides a powerful way to analyze the relationship between two categorical values. For showing the relationship between two categorical values, we use contingency tables and they reveal the frequency of occurrence for each combination of categories, showcasing potential dependencies or associations. Distributions. Histograms with overlays. Distributions, basically histograms which represent visually the distribution of continuous variable by grouping data into bins. Overlaying histograms. Overlaying multiple histograms helps compare distributions, identifying potential differences or similarities. Third, data and insights. Overlaying histograms enables you to understand how different groups or conditions influence the distribution of a variable. Moving forward, let's see binning based on value. What is binning a data? Binning involves grouping data into discrete intervals, simplifying the data while preserving its essential characteristics. How to predict values. Binning can be based on predicting values of each interval, leading to insights about the relationship between data and target outcomes. Visualizing insights. Binning data can be visualized with histograms or bar graphs, revealing patterns and association with target variables. Scatter plots. Now, what is a scatter plot? Unlike the histogram, which gives us the specific bar graphs in the form of rectangles, a scatter plot unveiling the relationships, like we have the scattered dots pattern on the graph. Visualize for visualizing relationships. Let's see what scatter plots do. In Excel, displaying the relationship between two continuous variables, showing how one variable changes with respect to another variable. Identifying pattern. They highlight trend, clusters and outliers, revealing potential correlations or dependency between the variables. Data insights. Scatter plots can provide a visual representation on the strengths and the direction of relationship between two variables, adding the understanding association. How to identify outliers and anomalies. Outliers are basically unneeded data and anomalies are the detections which are necessary for our data to be cleaned. Data outliers are data points that significantly deviate from the general pattern or trend in the dataset, which do not match with the trend in the dataset. Anomaly detection technique aims to identify these unusual data points, often using statistical method or machine learning algorithms. We detect anomalies in the data set and we remove outliers by the help of machine learning algorithms and statistical methods. Understanding causes. Understanding the cause of outliers is crucial as they indicate errors in the data collection, unusual events or underlying trends that need further investigation. Reducing complexity, dimensionally reduction techniques. How to reduce the complexity in the dataset? We use dimensionality reduction techniques. High dimensional data. Data with many variables can be challenging to analyze and visualize effectively. Dimensionality reduction Techniques aim to reduce the number of variables while retaining essential information and insights. Visualizing insight dimensionally reduction enables effective visualization and analysis of high dimensional datasets, revealing hidden patterns and relationships. Now, let us look at some Python code in our VS Code IDE for understanding EDA better. Here, as usual, we have imported the pandas library, numpy, matplotlib, and cburn. First is the example of data frame, how to create data frame. As usual, we have declared the keyword data equals to pd dot data frame, and then pass the values like category, value, predictive value, etc. How to construct a bar graph with overlay using count plot for categories, plot dot figure, and then plot title, and then we have used the function to show, which is plt.show. Construct contingency tables, contingency underscore table, and then pd.cross tab, and again passing the values in the parameter, and then printing the desirable contingency table, which is mainly in the format of a matrix. How to construct histograms with overlay, plot.figure, and then we have passed the parameter figure size, in which we have uh, accordingly mentioned the value. Here I have mentioned 8 and 6. You can mention any value of your choice. sns.histplot, and then again passing the values and tags like color, label, bins, etc. Then the title, again the function shows and legend to display the graphs. Next, moving forward, let's see how to perform binning based on predictive values. Example, binning 3 groups. Data predictive underscore bin equals to pd.cut, and in the braces we have passed the parameter data, predictive value, bin values, and then accordingly printing the statement data with binned predictive values, data predictive values, and predictive bin. I hope you understood the exploratory data analysis using Python. We'll meet next time. Thank you.